Welcome to Windows Guide. If the Start menu is not working, then try this simple fix on your computer. The first solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on the application to open it. You will notice the Windows Explorer application in the list. Right-click the application and select Restart. The second solution is to boot your system in the clean boot state. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar. Open the System Configuration application. Go to the Services tab. Check the checkbox associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable All. Click on Apply and then OK. Select the option to restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.